Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. My producer and editor, Sophie, who's also my dog, if this is your first time, she's actually upstairs taking a nap. I hope that she'll be down here at some point. But yeah, like I said, she is my producer and editor. And when she edits these videos, she likes to make fun of me. So if you see any jabs at me going across the bottom of the screen, sometimes the top of the screen, those come from Sophie. But she's a fantastic editor and producer, and I couldn't do this without her. So what can I do? I just have to live with the jokes. All right. Well, today it's actually freezing cold out. It's like 45 degrees here. It was 70 yesterday. I don't know what is going on. April, what is it, 16th? Ridiculous. So I'm going to make a sunshiny, well, not sunshiny, but a bright, colory drink. And this is going off the rails here. Let's start that again. I'm gonna make a bright, cheerful, and colorful drink. That's what I meant to say. It's actually from the Rose and Crown Pub, which is in the United Kingdom Pavilion in Epcot Center. And it's one of my favorite places to go. We go there basically every time that we go to Epcot. It's fantastic. Actually, my favorite drink there, I like the Leaping Leprechaun, and I have a video that I made last year sometime. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link to it at the end of this one. But today we're going to be making the Welsh Dragon, which I've never had. I've never had it there, so I checked on the app, and they still have it. They still serve it, so next time we go, which is next month, we will definitely be getting that. Because it looks, I mean, it sounds good. I'll be honest, it's probably not going to be my favorite drink just because of what's in it, as you'll see. But you never know. I might want to try it. I might change my mind. It might become my favorite drink. You never know. So let's get right to it. It is the Welsh Dragon from the Rose and Crown Pub in the United Kingdom Pavilion at Epcot Center. That is a long, that's a lot of stuff to say right there. Okay, well, let's just get right to it. And I found this recipe on allears.net. Okay, so you really don't need a cocktail shaker for this, but I'm gonna use one just to mix it up. I don't really have a spoon to stir it that's long enough. I need to get one of those is what I need. Okay, so first off, we have 3/4 of an ounce of peach schnapps, and this is 1.5 ounces, the shot glass, Tower Terror shot glass if you have it. So we'll fill that up halfway. See, I'm not a huge fan of schnapps, so that's why I don't know if I don't like this or not, but we will find out. Next, 3/4 of an ounce of melon liqueur. So the same thing, fill it up about halfway. It doesn't have to be exact measurements, obviously. Well, it probably should be, but when I do it, I don't do that. Okay, and next, 1/2 ounce of cream de menthe. And I'm also not a huge fan of this, but we'll see how it all blends. This is just a 1/2 ounce, so I'll just put a little bit in. Basically gives it the green color that we want to see, right? All right, so next it says to taste, add orange juice and pineapple juice. Now I usually like to use the freshly squeezed orange and pineapple juice, but I didn't have time to do that today, so I got this stuff, so we'll see how that works. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of guess here. I'll just put some of that, some of this. All right, I'll just give that a shake. Like I said, you don't really need to use a shaker, but you can also stir it. But I just decided to use the shaker. All right, and you didn't notice before, this is Maleficent, obviously, and that is Bouncy the Bunny, and they're always here whenever I make drinks or make food or something. Not sure why, but every time. Okay, so let's fill a glass with ice, and let's pour this in here and see how it looks. Wow, so it's kind of yellowish, more than green, so I guess you could add some more of the creme de menthe, but I don't think I want to do that. So, all right, and then we can garnish a little orange here. You can use anything you want, really. Maraschino cherries, a few of those. There you have it. Welsh Dragon from the Rose and Crown Pub. All right, so let's give this a try. See if I like it. Like I said, I don't like everything that's in it, but I do like orange and pineapple juice. So let's see. You know what? Just drop the orange. That is delicious. I do like it. The mint, you really can't taste. I mean, it's there, but it's not. It doesn't overpower the drink, so that's probably good that you don't use a lot of that. The peach schnapps, actually, I can taste it. I actually like that. Maybe I've never had peach schnapps. I've had other schnapps, and I wasn't a huge fan. I can't think. Maybe I don't know what other kind. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I've had some in the past that I did not care for, but peach is fantastic, and these all blend well together. It's tropical. It's a tropical drink is what it is. The Welsh Dragon, and the color is so cool. I mean, this is, I'll tell you what, I have to try this when we go next month and see, because I think, I don't know if I like it better than the Leaping Leprechaun, but I don't know. It's very close, very close. I'd say it's a tie right now. Yeah, that is fantastic. All right, so I'm gonna give this one a 9. Seriously, this is really, really good on a hot day in Florida. Drink 2 or 3 of these. No, I'm kidding, but well, yeah, two maybe. A couple of these, and you'll feel refreshed and reinvigorated. And another word that starts with R, I can't think of. Alrighty, so there you have it though. The Welsh Dragon is fantastic. Well, that's our show for today. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you didn't like it, you should also subscribe, because you make fun of me, like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. You can also hit the like button, because that really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can also leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. I can attempt to do that, the key word being attempt. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.